I don't know how to do it. Alright, back today. We're gonna show you how to properly overclock your GPU. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab these two apps, MSI Afterburner and MSI Combustor. MSI Afterburner is the main thing you'll be using to overclock your GPU. In this computer I have right now, I have an RTX 4060 in it, Core i7. However, the CPU doesn't matter, it just matters if your GPU is overclockable. Which, for me, you would have to search that up. For me, it's overclockable. Right now I have my clocks right here. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna reset real quick. Let me just do a little save. Just right there, and then we're just gonna lock that, reset. Alright, we're back to default values. Now you're gonna open with your MSI Combustor. You're gonna grab a different test. You're gonna make sure you click over here. See how we can't use another GPU? Wait. It's because we gotta use a different one. We gotta use Vulkan to test out your GPU. Because OpenGL mainly works with your integrated graphics, which is you don't want, because you don't want to overclock your integrated graphics because it's not gonna give you any benefits. So we're gonna switch to Vulkan, which is VK right here. Any which one will work. Click here, click your GPU, and all this should be good. You don't need to do anything. You can turn on artifact scanner if you want, but in my opinion, it does not do anything. So I would run test. Let that go. And while this test is running, you want to open up Afterburner. Just see what's going to go on. Open that. And then you're going to go to your Afterburner. Right here. Right now it says 92 frames, however, don't know if there's any artifacts yet, just says scanning. That's what we're going to do. Grab memory clockage, and what I want to start from memory, at least, in my opinion, I always started at memory. I always start at 250. But, see? That did nothing. Now first we're going to start off with memory, because memory is most good for, memory. Memory megahertz is good for games. So we're going to start that, and also it's the most highest one you could set up over your core clock right here. So what you're going to do, that doesn't do anything, 500, apply. Nothing. No artifacts, no anything. Everything still looks good. Now, we're gonna bump it up. 750. Go up with increments to 250. Nothing. And then once you get over that little 800 mark, you might want to go up just 100. So I went up to 900. Nothing. You want to get a little antsy, put up 200 more. Apply. And still nothing. Which is expected because I already did mine, but you're just gonna keep going up in increments of 5, increments of... Alright, we're all back. Turns out I went too high and I didn't have my performance settings on, so that's a good thing. Exit out of that. I'm just gonna reopen firmware over here. Firmware doesn't matter. Stress test. Now we're on it. I set my thing back. Once that unstability happens, you're going to want to. Once that unstability happens, you're gonna have to turn down your whatever clock you set it to, and you're gonna go up slow. So it was unstable at 1600, 1700. Check for artifacts. Nothing's occurring. So far, so good. 1600. Check your screen. So far, so good. 1650. And there it goes. Alright. Well, that was unstable. So what you're gonna want to do if it's unstable, you just turn it down a notch. Probably turn it down if it from the unstable point. I'd say turn it down about 80 megahertz. So that last value is 650 and 80. So that would be around. I can't count, huh? So I'd probably be about 1570. my other ones is higher, but that doesn't matter. 1570 because this is a stable one, so I actually might find some good settings for myself. Now you're just going to apply it, make sure it's applied. If you try to run stress test again, it will crash. Put back on. So far so good. Now we're going to go on to the most riskiest part, your core. Your core, you're going to have to put in increments of 50. You don't have to. You can go as many as you want. Just keep going until unstability, just like that first one. And what you'll notice with core, this will actually increase your FPS because this is the main kicker in your GPU. As a memory, it already has a high megahertz cap. Now I'll go 100. Check around, check around, check around. So far, so good. Now 150. Alright, check around, check around. You can hear my computer getting loud already. So far, so good. Alright, now 200. So far, so good. So far, so good. Again, you can go as many increments if you want. Go 25 increments, 15. Doesn't matter. As long as you're going up, it's safe and sound, you're good. The last one, 200. Alright, let's try 250. Alright, check around, check around. There's nothing, there's nothing. All good, all good. Alright. Now 300. Check around. Oh, see some artifacts. See some artifacts? Definitely turn that back down. What you want to do? 250, back down, and check for artifacts. Also, a little common stuff that might happen with your GPU, as it gets hot, it can actually cause more artifacts, the more temperature it's up. So if you notice artifacts happening, you might want to turn down the settings. So far, we're so good. I don't want to be so close to unstability, which is about, say, 50 megahertz away. So I'll probably just turn it down to 2. And there you go. You have found your optimal overclock for your GPU. So let's grab right here. Probably save this as profile 3 right here. Yep, pretty good. Alright, we're gonna apply. We're also gonna reset. Notice that difference. Alright. Right now we're running about 156. Apply. Right here. Now we're getting up to 180. Well, 155, 175, 176, 180. A little finicky, but you could see that performance rise a lot. Press reset. About 167, 170. So I'd say about an 8 FPS game. It's pretty good. I'd say in a lot of demanding games, that would be pretty substantial for you. But yeah, that's how you properly overclock your GPU. Now your thing might sound like a fan. You get some ice cubes, put it on top, you'll be alright. No worries. Look at that. I'm going down already. Alright, everybody. Have a good day.